Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today we've got a brand new Porsche 911 GT3 Touring. This car has come to us because the owner wanted a different colour interior from the factory black. Let's take a look inside and we'll talk through what we've been up to. You now join me in the cabin. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the team carrying out the work on this interior. We're really happy with the results. We think it looks absolutely fantastic. The client and I worked together in the early stages and he sent a few ideas over. He sent images of things like the 911 Sport Classic, and then we settled on this beautiful tan leather with this beige and black and white pepita houndstooth in the seat centres. We had the Porsche crest re-stamped into the headrests, so everything is done as per the factory car, but with a different colour and the addition of the houndstooth. If you've got a modern Porsche or any other modern car and you'd like to talk to us about customising your interior, please get in touch. If you've got any comments or questions, drop them below, and I look forward to bringing you another video soon.